bukan tata bahasanya, cuma dari ininya itu, dari gaya-gaya
Okay.
bahasanya.
Okay, let's start.
Oke.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Ruli. We are from Group 7. I am Sinta Nurin Alinurlita and my partner are Dikala Sompi and Yeni Amelia. So today we would like to discuss about GDP and economic growth of Laos and Indonesia. So the first slide will be presented by Patikala Sompi. Tikala, please.
What is GDP? Gross domestic product (GDP) is the total monetary of market value of all the finished goods and service produced within a country borders in a specific time period. It's a broad measure of overall domestic production. It functions as a comprehensive scorecard of a given country economic health. What is economic growth? Economic growth is increase in the production of economic goods and service compared from one period to time to another. It can be measured in nominal or real, adjusted in inflation term. Traditional aggregate economic growth is measured in terms of gross national product or GNP or gross national product or GDP. All two alternative metrics are sometimes used. Population of Laos 1980 until 2020. The current population of the Lao People Democratic Republic is 7,416,763 as of Thursday, November 2021, based on Worldometer elaboration of the last United Nations data. GDP Laos. Laos GDP per capita data is updated yearly, available from December 1980 to December 2020, with an average number of 6,051,730 US dollar. The data reached an all-time high of 2,643,000 US dollar in December 2020 and a record of low of 259,270 in December 1998. CAIC extend history for annual GDP per capita. Laos Statistics Bureau provides GDP per capita in USD. GDP per capita period 206 is calculated from nominal GDP and population, both succeeded from the International Monetary Fund.
Okay, now we are talking about economy of Laos. The Lao People Democratic Republic has enjoyed strong economic growth for 2 decades, but the economic has slowed since 2015. While the country has avoided a major outbreak of the coronavirus disease, restrictions related to the pandemic have restrained economic expansion and highlight the country's development challenge. The population of Indonesia, the current population in 2021 is 276,361,783, a 1.04% increase from 2020. While in 2020, the population reached to 273,523,615, a 1.07% increase from 2019. Indonesia's economic growth is currently the third fastest among the G20 member countries. The latest statistic shows that from 2000 to 2017, Indonesia's gross domestic product per capita increased by an average of 4% annually after China and India, which grew by 9% and 5.5% per year respectively. However, Indonesia's economic growth has triggered high inequality between the population. This is reflected in the Gini index, an index for measuring inequality within a country from 0, which is perfect equality, to 100, perfect inequality.
Okay, so Laos versus Indonesia. Indonesia's population increased by 32.56 million over the past decade. The country's statistic authority has announced the economics of Indonesia is the largest in the Southeast Asia and is one of the emerging market economic of the world. As a lower middle income country and member of the G20, Indonesia is classified as a newly industrialized country. Uh, Currently, Laos ranks amongst the fastest growing economy in the world, averaging 8% a year in GDP growth. Despite rapid growth, Laos remains one of the poorest countries in Southeast Asia, a landlocked, a land, a landlocked country. It has in, inadequate infrastructure and a largely unskilled workforce. So Laos is actually has relation between Indonesia. Laos and Indonesia has a relation, and they have a really good relation. Indonesia and Laos established diplomatic relation in 1957. Indonesia has an embassy in Vientiane, while Laos have an embassy in Jakarta. Relation between Indonesia and Laos has grown significantly since Laos became a member of ASEAN in 1997. Indonesia was one of ASEAN member nations that support the inclusion of Laos into ASEAN. The trade between Indonesia and Laos was increasing by 300% in 2 years, from 9.9 million US dollars in 2011 to 27 billion US dollars in 2012. And the conclusion is if we want to compare between the Indonesia economic and Laos, it is certainly different. Indonesia has a larger population than Laos, but however, in the economy, both have good economy and good improvement almost every year. The collaboration between Laos and Indonesia has also brought the economy of these two countries to a higher level. So that's all our presentation today. Thank you for the opportunity. So good afternoon.